In today's video, we'll present an in-depth review of the Levoit LV-H134. It's a massive air purifier intended for rooms up to 492 square feet, has 3-stage filtration technology, and plenty of options. In the following minutes, you'll find out how it performed in our tests, whether it's worth buying, and just how good it is overall. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. The first thing you should do before the first start of this Levoit is to open the back cover and pull out the filter. Then remove the filter from the plastic wrap and put it back into the air purifier. Next, attach the power cord to the port under the filter cover at the bottom of the air purifier, and your air purifier is now ready to use. Finally, place the LV-H134 in the desired location at least 15 inches from walls and other objects, plug it in, and turn it on. The air purifier is featured with plenty of options. Aside from basic features such as a timer, filter reset indicator, sleep mode, and display off, it also has some advanced features such as an air quality sensor and auto mode. The air quality sensor is located on the back side and detects dust particles in real time. It's reliable and works in combination with the auto mode, so when the air purifier is in the auto mode, it will switch the fan speed based on the current air quality. There is also a LED air quality indicator on the top of the device that lights in a different color depending on the current air quality, and the PM 2.5 indicator, which is located in the middle of the control panel. You can find a detailed explanation of all the features at airpurifierfirst.com. The Levoit LV-H134 is a cylindrical air purifier with openings for drawing in air on the bottom part of the device, arranged on all sides. Additionally, it has grills on the top, where filtered air exits. This air purifier uses a high-quality and highly efficient filter placed on the bottom part of the device. It uses a 3-stage filtration technology and doesn't produce ozone. It's CARB certified and 100% safe to use. The filter shape is cylindrical and hollow through the middle. The first filtration stage on the Levoit LV-H134 is a nylon mesh pre-filter which traps particles from dust, dirt, hair, and the like, thus preserving the true HEPA filter and extending its life. The second filtration stage is a true HEPA filter that removes 99.97% of airborne particles with 0.3 diameters in micrometers. And the last filtration stage is a pellet-based carbon filter that helps neutralize odors and other gases. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. Since the Levoit LV-H134 doesn't have a washable filter, you have to replace it occasionally. The filter life on this air purifier is between 6 and 8 months. Furthermore, you won't have to keep track of when to replace the filter, as the air purifier has a filter reset indicator, which will glow red when you have to replace it. What's more, the filter replacement process is straightforward. Firstly, unplug the air purifier and remove the back lid. Next, remove the old filter from the device and vacuum inside the air purifier if necessary. Then, unpack the new filter, place it inside the air purifier, and close up the back lid. Finally, reset the filter reset indicator by holding your finger on it for 3 seconds. The first thing worth noting regarding noise tests is that the Levoit LV-H134 has 4 fan speeds. Having the sleep mode is what we like the most, mainly because this mode makes it easier to use the air purifier in the bedroom In sleep mode, it produces a sound of 41.8 dBA. In the low mode, a sound of 45.7 dBA. In the medium mode, 56.4 dBA, while in the high mode, it produces a sound of 70.3 dBA. What we really like is that the first three speeds are pleasant for the ears, but at the max speed, it's a bit too loud. It may be the loudest air purifier we've tested so far. Considering that this air purifier has many fan speeds, we're sure you'll find the right speed that's suitable for you, despite its higher noise levels at the max speed. When speaking of power usage, this air purifier uses less power than we initially thought. The Levoit LV-H134 has a motor of just 45 watts, which means it's a much smaller power consumer than some competing air purifiers. If you left it working at the max speed 24 hours daily for 1 month, it would increase your electrical bill by about $4.40. This is not that much, we could agree. But there is also a cost of a replacement filter, which is a bit more expensive. Summing up the electricity consumption and the price of replacement filters, the Levoit LV-H134 could have been a bit more affordable for annual maintenance. This large air purifier is ideal for large rooms of 492 square feet or even larger ones. The Levoit LV-H134 has enormous airflow, so we have tested it in some rooms larger than the recommended dimensions. In the first test, in a room of 320 square feet, which is smaller than the recommended dimensions, the Levoit LV-H134 improved the air quality by about 96% in just 60 minutes, working at the max speed. In the second test, this time in a room of 560 square feet, which is larger than the recommended dimensions, the LV-H134 improved the air quality by about 94% in the same conditions. Considering that we've tested this Levoit in a room larger than recommended, it performed amazingly. In the following seconds, you'll see how much time is needed for the LV-H134 to clean the smoke from the smoke box. The Levoit LV-H134 is one of the biggest Levoit air purifiers out there. It's an exciting air purifier, pretty reliable and efficient. This device is our absolute best buy recommendation if you need an air purifier for bigger rooms of, say, 500 square feet or even slightly larger. It has outstanding performance, doesn't use too much power, has an air quality sensor, and high-quality filters. What we would definitely prefer is if the air purifier was a bit quieter at the max speed and if it was less bulky. If you have any questions about this air purifier, leave a comment below the video. All links can be found in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.